In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create Telegram account on Android phone. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create Telegram account, first of all you need to install Telegram on your Android phone. Go to Play Store, in search type Telegram. Now you need to install Telegram. Click on install. Installation continuing. Now click on open. Click on start messaging. Click on continue and then click on allow. Here you need to select your country. I am selecting my country, and here you need to type the mobile number. Now click on the arrow icon and then click on yes. Now type the code. And look, the Telegram account has been created. This is the easiest way to create Telegram account on Android phone.